This isn't your average list of fun facts. These are fascinating facts, unbelievable discoveries, and weird science from the amazing world around us. From strange animal behavior and natural wonders to ancient secrets and mind-blowing trivia, every fact will make you see the world differently. You'll explore how insects breathe without lungs, why leaves change color, how goats see the world, and more. Whether you love science, nature, animals, or geography, these strange discoveries will challenge what you thought you knew. Ready to learn something new and dive into the curious side of reality? Have you ever wondered when to drink water? The timing of your water intake can greatly boost your health. Drinking a glass in the morning activates your organs and metabolism. Before meals, water aids digestion and helps prevent overeating. Even before bed, a small amount supports heart health and reduces nighttime risks. These simple timing habits show that when you drink water can be just as important as how much. Did you know that the world's smallest mammal weighs less than a penny? The bumblebee bat, found in Southeast Asia, is the tiniest mammal, weighing just 2 grams. It thrives in cave environments, feeding on insects with incredible agility. Despite its small size, it plays a vital role in the ecosystem. This miniature marvel proves that even the tiniest creatures have evolved perfectly for survival in nature's intricate design. Did you know that bees need to visit 2 million flowers to make 1 kilogram of honey? This astonishing effort involves thousands of bees working together, gathering nectar from countless blossoms. Through teamwork and natural chemistry, that nectar transforms into honey. Each golden drop represents biodiversity and collective labor. More than just a sweet treat, honey is a symbol of ecological harmony and the immense labor behind nature's smallest gifts. Imagine for a moment that goats have panoramic vision. Their unique rectangular pupils provide an incredible 320-degree field of view, allowing them to spot danger from nearly any direction. Their eyes even rotate independently to keep vision level as they climb. This built-in stabilizer helps goats confidently scale cliffs and ledges. It's not just their hooves, it's their specialized eyes that make them masters of vertical terrain. Why was Stonehenge really built? The true purpose of Stonehenge has mystified scientists for centuries. One theory says it was a solar calendar aligned with solstices. Others believe it served ritual or healing purposes. Its massive stones and precise design suggest deep significance. Despite countless excavations and research, its exact function remains unknown. Stonehenge continues to stand as a silent monument to ancient ingenuity and one of history's greatest mysteries. It's amazing, but the platypus is one of the strangest creatures on Earth. Native to Australia, it lays eggs like a reptile but nurses its young with milk. It also has venomous spurs on its hind legs. This mammal's unique features baffled scientists when first discovered. Despite its odd traits, the platypus has thrived for millions of years and remains a rare and fascinating example of evolutionary creativity. The rarest zebra in the world spots instead of stripes. In Kenya, a young zebra with dark fur and white spots was discovered. A rare genetic mutation caused this pattern. This anomaly challenges traditional understanding of zebra markings. Conservationists quickly took notice, studying it to learn more about genetic diversity. A spotted zebra is more than unusual. It's a living example of nature's unpredictability and the beauty of biological variation. Did you know that kangaroos can't jump backward? Kangaroos are built for powerful forward leaps, covering up to 12 meters in a single bound. Their long tails provide balance, but prevent any backward motion. Their legs are muscular but structured only for forward thrust. This makes them one-directional movers, perfectly adapted for escaping predators in open terrain. Kangaroos may leap ahead with ease, but turning back simply isn't an option. Can you believe the world's oldest cheese was found in a tomb over 3,000 years old? Discovered in China in 2014, this ancient cheese was buried with a Bronze Age nobleman. Made from cow, goat, and sheep's milk, it was preserved thanks to the tomb's dry environment. Its crumbly texture and salty taste survived millennia. Even more remarkable, the lactose was broken down, making it naturally lactose-free, a culinary time capsule. Is it true that most dust is dead skin? It's not a myth. Humans shed millions of skin cells daily, and they become a major part of household dust. Along with fibers and pollen, your skin's outer layers create this fine debris. Surprisingly, your skin oil, squalene, also helps neutralize air pollutants like ozone. So dust is more than dirt. It's your body's way of renewing itself and protecting your environment simultaneously. Believe it or not, squirrels remember hundreds of hidden nuts. Their spatial memory is highly advanced, allowing them to relocate hundreds of buried caches. They use visual cues, trees, rocks, terrain, not scent, to navigate. Squirrels even fake burials to trick onlookers, hiding the real stash elsewhere. Forgotten nuts often grow into trees, making squirrels accidental forest gardeners. Their cleverness ensures survival and shapes ecosystems, showing that intelligence exists even in small creatures. Let's break a common myth today. Crocodile tears aren't about emotion. When crocodiles eat, muscles around their jaws squeeze glands that release tears. These tears help clean their eyes from sand and debris, not sorrow. Misinterpreted as weeping in ancient times, the phrase crocodile tears became a metaphor for fake sadness. In reality, it's just biology at work, keeping their vision clear and sharp during feeding. Emotion has nothing to do with it. Hard to believe, but owls fly like ghosts, silently. Their feathers have a velvety texture and serrated edges that disrupt air currents, muffling sound. This allows owls to swoop down on prey undetected. Studies confirm they produce almost no noise in flight. Owls' stealth has inspired myths and even technology. Engineers study owl wings to design quieter machines. Nature's silent hunter proves that silence can be just as powerful as speed or strength. Believe it or not, the world's smallest island is only a few square meters. Bishop Rock, off England's coast, holds the record. Despite its tiny size, just a few square meters, it houses a lighthouse and marks England's westernmost point. Officially recognized by Guinness World Records, it proves that an island doesn't need to be large to be significant. Even this speck of land can have historical and navigational importance. Believe it or not, rats can laugh. When tickled, rats emit high-pitched giggles inaudible to human ears. Scientists recorded these ultrasonic sounds, confirming that rats experience pleasure. This discovery reshapes how we understand animal emotions. Far from being just lab test subjects, rats show signs of joy, bonding, and playfulness. Their laughter proves that fun and feelings aren't exclusive to humans or pets. Complex emotions may exist in all corners of nature. How might things have been different if they had succeeded? In California's Mojave Desert, a creosote bush over 11,000 years old still grows. It reproduces in rings, each shoot replacing an older one, maintaining genetic continuity. This makes it Earth's oldest living organism. Surviving intense heat and drought, the bush symbolizes endurance. If untouched, it could outlive civilizations. Its quiet longevity reminds us of nature's power to persist through extremes. Why do leaves turn red and yellow in the fall? As temperatures drop, trees shut down photosynthesis. Chlorophyll, the green pigment, fades, revealing yellow carotenoids and red anthocyanins beneath. Cool, sunny days intensify the color show. This transformation isn't just beautiful, it's strategic. Trees conserve energy by shedding leaves. Still, it feels like nature's grand finale before winter. Next time you admire autumn foliage, remember, it's a complex chemical farewell wrapped in vivid color. How do insects breathe without lungs? Instead of lungs, insects use spiracles, tiny openings on their bodies, to draw in air. The air flows through a series of tubes called tracheae, which deliver oxygen directly to tissues. Insects can even open and close spiracles to regulate airflow. Some species recycle oxygen or slow metabolism in low-oxygen environments. This efficient, decentralized breathing system allows them to survive in conditions that would overwhelm larger animals. Believe it or not, the world's deepest lake holds 20% of all the fresh water on Earth. Lake Baikal in Siberia plunges over 1.5 kilometers deep and contains more fresh water than any other lake. It supports unique species found nowhere else. Baikal's ancient, untouched waters have existed for millions of years. This isolated body is not just deep, it's a biological treasure and a vital freshwater reserve. Did you know the Nile is the longest river in the world? Stretching over 6,650 kilometers, it flows through 11 countries across Africa. These nations rely on it for agriculture, transport, and daily life. From ancient Egypt to modern cities, The Nile has been central to human civilization. It's not just a river, it's a lifeline, shaping cultures and ecosystems through its enduring journey from source to sea. And that's a wrap for today. But don't worry, that was just the tip of iceberg. For more jaw-dropping discoveries, check our other videos, and don't forget to subscribe us.